Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now, today we're going to be talking about Kucoin. So, let's jump right into it. We are on the weekly, ladies and gentlemen. And just to break it down, I mean, this chart's kind of a mess, but we could tell that we had lots and lots of weekly taps here. All right, last time it was here was pretty much in 2023. Then, over the weeks, we shot up, went down a little bit, shot up again, and then boom, we slammed down. And now we've been kind of going sideways, but I do believe the KuCoin bottom is here. Look, we pretty much have a double bottom in terms of where the candles are closing. And if we go to the daily, I mean, we pretty much are going into order blocks, right? And you know I'm huge on order blocks. So we tap into the 2-day order block. And then when we actually break it down, we can see on the 4-hour, we tap in once again. So for me, I would say this is a confirmation. We are going up. And the next pretty much big target, well, one of the targets is here, around $10.50. Once we break above that, right, we're going to have a retest. And then pretty much it's all fair game. Look, there's a lot of imbalance, which pretty much means there's no real support and resistance. So we could very, very, very quickly pretty much go up all the way to around $15. And I say this area because there is some resistance here, right? So it would not surprise me if we start kind of resisting near these tops, which is also resistance from back here. Then we probably have a little bit of a drop off. Then it would probably break above again. And then we would be targeting highs over here, $23. Now, my ultimate price prediction for KuCoin is actually pretty decent. Now, before we actually give you a number, let's check the market cap because you know market cap is a very, very important factor. So, market cap is just sitting around $1 billion, well, closer to 900. It's at $930 million. So, pretty much for every $1 billion, we're pretty much going to be going like $10.50, $11. So, this for me actually could definitely hit around $200 for KuCoin. Now, I know it sounds crazy, but exchanges will be more relevant when the time comes. And KuCoin is growing. Okay, KuCoin is growing. And the thing is, people are going to trust exchanges. They're going to want to buy their coin. You know, this might sound dumb, but there might be, oh, this is a cool logo. And although that is a dumb reason, you got to remember there's going to be lots and lots of amateurs entering the markets. So pretty much my price prediction based off market cap is $200.